Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the PW app and signing in. Make sure your 2FA is ready. Once done, go directly to the Milestones tab in the bottom menu. Don't hunt menus. You need the Milestone ID or project name at hand so you can filter quickly. Tap the search icon and enter the ID. This narrows results immediately. If results are slow, switch from cellular to Wi-Fi. This first set of actions gets you into the system fast and reduces trial and error. Now you'll apply precise filters to isolate the milestone. Pick date range, status, and assignee, then add the milestone ID for certainty. Once filtered, open the milestone card and inspect the key fields. Look at % complete, start and due dates, attachments, and recent comments. These show progress and intent. Then review linked tasks and dependency flags to catch blockers early. If something looks off, expand history or activity to see who changed what and when, which explains discrepancies. Finish by confirming the milestone result. Verify final status, actual completion date, and owner approval so you have a clean record. Once confirmed, export the milestone or take a screenshot for audit purposes. Note any missing fields. If the result seems wrong, first refresh the app and rerun filters. Make sure you have permission to view that project. If problems persist, check for sync issues and contact the admin with the milestone ID and a short description. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.